decided in 2017 that if Poland is introducing a change in law where all the train drivers are obliged to have at least 3 hours of training each year to keep their license. So, and we knew that on the market there are only 3 simulators, and in that time, so it was 2017, there was around roughly 14,000 train drivers. So there was a need on the market. So the market was created due to the regulations. So it was the best time to start a company manufacturing that would manufacture the simulators, both software and hardware. Well, the biggest challenge for each company, and I think it's like a very important milestone in the life of every company in the world, really, is to be recognized abroad. So the first project outside Poland and the first customers that would be not from Poland, and making that first step outside your own country, I think this is the biggest milestone that we ever crossed. And our first customer was in 2020, so 5 years ago. Since that time, we are successfully getting new orders and new projects, not only in Poland but also in Czech Republic, in Great Britain, Baltic states. Well, the market for the train simulators is, on the one hand, it's not very complicated because there are not many companies that will supply this kind of products. But on the other hand, it's quite challenging because, of course, always people are thinking that how difficult the trains can be. You don't have the steering wheel, you don't have the gearbox, so how difficult can it be? So I think this is the biggest mistake if someone is thinking about train simulation. It's complicated. The market itself, it's quite challenging mainly based on the condition in each country. Although we are on most of our customers are within European Union or within Europe, then although we have the ETCS and ERTMS system, that's European safety systems, but each country nearly have its own signaling system, its own safety devices, and its own way of communicate between the train drivers and the infrastructure. This is the main challenge to be able to adjust your software and your products to special needs of each country. I think that the most innovative product that we recently released is either ICTF, so the Integrated Crew Training Facility. So it's a simulator that it's not really simulator for the train drivers, but it simulates the train itself, and it's focusing mainly on the conductors and how to operate as a conductor on a train. And on the other hand, it's using the same software as the simulators for the train drivers, so you can operate on different platforms, different stations, and have also the same features like weather conditions or geospecific data. And the second product that we released in 2024 was the Smart Light, so the smallest simulators. And for us, the biggest challenge was how to fit everything that we are delivering in big simulators, like full driver's desks, how to put everything in a very small package, and everything that would fit within a typical regular car, and create a truly mobile version of our product. One of the key factors of making a decision that we would like to go into Romania and would like to acquire this project, was that one of the Polish companies, that is the train manufacturer PESA, acquired, I think it's 4 projects for delivering new trains to Romania. So we decided that if the Polish train manufacturer is successful on this market, then we as a train simulator supplier should also be successful. And if Romanian companies, the CFE, will be using the Polish trains, then why not to propose Polish simulators, especially that need of new trains and the need of introducing new trains, especially with ETCS system, also shows us that Romanian customers, and CFR especially, is willing to invest in modern technologies, then it's the best market for us, because there are not many train simulators in Romania. So if we would acquire CFR as the main passenger train company, then maybe in the future we would nearly create a standard of the train simulation in specially designed for Romania. We are always trying to have a situation in which as much as of the hardware as possible is manufactured by us. It's from our perspective that that situation in which most of the simulator parts, the driver's desk equipment, is manufactured by us is the most positive situation, because this way we are able to control not only the quality of the overall product, but also we are able to control the service and the maintenance quality that we will be delivering to the customer after the delivery. We truly believe that it's the best time to create a high technology company, especially from Poland, and if we are about to be successful, we know that we are competing with the companies that are far older than ours. They have usually far bigger support and usually influence from their own national governments. So we are more thinking about ourselves like a very brave new challengers that are trying to introduce brand new technology, brand new ideas to the railway market. We were successful in Poland. We acquired like nearly 80% of the market in Poland, and we are successful in different countries like in Czech Republic or in UK. So why not Romania? First of all, we would like to successfully finish the CFR project. So this is the biggest aim that we are now focusing on. But the next steps that we would like to take in is create a new version of our software. We will be introducing it somewhere just before the summer holidays 2025, and it will be a new CGI with the newest version of CGI to make the simulation world even more and more immersive and even more realistic than it is so far.